Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? How you all are?
Sir, fine. Sir, fine. Sir, fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. But it's a request to you all. After morning, you all have to mute yourself.
Good morning.
Right?
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning.
After morning,
Yes, sir.
you have to mute yourself so that we can
Yes, sir.
continue with our topic. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
And,
sir.
Last time, no one will switch off their video. Everyone's video should on. Is it clear to everyone? Switch on your video, beta. Everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Siddharth Bose. Switch on your video.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Siddharth.
my
Morning,
camera
sir.
is not working.
Huh?
Sir, my camera is not working.
Sisti. Sisti.
Good morning,
Kumar Santan. Ketan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Nikunj Navalgadia.
Good morning, sir.
You all are requested to switch on your camera. Everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So, most of you just
Good morning, sir.
switched off your camera. Why? Switch on it.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Ketan Singh from Knowledge Park. Sir, I can't on my camera because my front camera is damaged.
Front camera is damaged.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Last time we have started our networking concept, right? Into that, we have completed till hubs and switches. We are going to start with types of network. This time we are going to start with types of network. So first of all, as I told you, network, it is just to we create just for productivity, means in our lesser time we can produce more and more work, right? And file sharing should be there, resource sharing should be there. These all I told you. Am I right? So to whom I will ask the question, but it's a revision round. So you have studied about this chapter. Am I right? You know this one. Can you remember last times? Everyone is saying it for what I told it. If you all are able to listen me, I'm audible. Yes, that means this one.
No, sir.
Audible, right? So, am I audible? Everyone audible?
Yes, sir. No, sir. You are not audible. You are audible.
No, sir.
If
Yes, sir. You are audible. No, sir.
listen, beta.
Yes, sir.
If someone is not getting my voice, that means it may be a network issue at your side, right? So whenever you are going to ask question, then you have to do like this one. I will ask you question. So first of all, how many types of networks are there? How many types of networks are there? You will make a V, then I will start asking you the answer. Anyone? Yes, Udit. Unmute yourself and tell. Udit,
So 3 type.
what are they?
So PAN, personal area network.
It's a not
So
huh? Then
so WPN.
WPN. What WPN?
And sir, WAN.
What is this?
So wide area network.
Then
So MAN, MAN. So media. So LAN. So local area network.
anyone? Yes, Durgesh Yadav. Unmute yourself, beta. Durgesh Yadav.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I can. There are 4 types of network I can tell.
Yes. What are they?
Sir, LAN, MAN, CAN, and WAN.
LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. Right? Am I right, Durgesh?
Sir, CAN.
Can?
Yes, sir.
Can is?
Yes.
Can is?
Campus area network.
Campus
Area network.
Campus area network. It's a type of LAN. Sometimes it's a type of MAN. Right? So basically we are having 4 types. One is PAN, second is LAN, third is MAN, and fourth is WAN. One by one we will see for what purpose we are creating it and for what purpose we are using it. Right? So first we are going for PAN, personal area network. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing to
Yes.
say, nothing to say, only do this like this. Audible? Everyone's camera is off, everyone's. So, Alankrita, do not see here and there. See in front. Alankrita, Alankrita, are you listening me? Alankrita, where are you seeing? Okay.
Sir.
So, who is there?
Sir, PAN is private area network.
Personal area network, not a private area network. Personal area network. Personal area network, whenever we are going to create a network for our use. Right? Atma Prakash, switch on your video. Whenever we are going to create our network for our purpose, to a limited place, as in the case nowadays during this pandemic, most of we are using network at our home. We are doing work from home, means most of the person we are working from home. Am I right? Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Beta, I said only you have to do like this so that I can understand. So most of we are doing work at from our home. In that case, suppose in a family member 4, 5, 6, 8 persons they are working, then what we are doing, we have installed Wi-Fi connection at our home. With that Wi-Fi connection, we have created a personal network. Means all the family members, they are going to be connected with that particular network and we are doing our work. Am I right? This is, but this is not a type of PAN. This is use of network. We are using network. Now when PAN will become, when we are going to share files among all, files, folders, resources we are going to share with each, then it becomes a complete PAN, personal area network, right? So it is limited access. It has limited access, means beyond my house, no one can access my computer, my phone, nothing. Am I right? Right? Then next hour comes LAN, local area network. The best example I am telling you, your school. In your school, your lab, it is connected with LAN. So that if you are sitting at computer number one time you have, most of the time we have given you a personal computers at your school, so that next time also you are coming to school and you are sitting on that only, right? So in that case, what will happen? In that case, if you are sitting at computer number 1, sometimes in next period you are coming and you have got seat at computer number 10, but you have worked at computer number 1. It's a LAN. Through 10 you can access your 1 and you can open your file over here, you can save here and you can save there only. That is local area network. It has got limited access, means it can be created up to a building. You can share resources within the limit. It is created with the help of cable. Cable, I told you, RJ45, Cat5 and Cat6 cables are there. That is connected with your PC as well as your switches, right? So that you can share information. That is your local area network, right? So apart from your school, anyone can give me the example of LAN? Anyone? By first you make V, then I can understand. Anyone can give any example of LAN seeing nearby your house? Yeah, your locality. Anyone? No one. Yes, Alankrita, unmute and say.
Sir, cyber cafe.
Cyber cafe. But if in the cyber cafe, I'm going to make it clear. In cyber cafe, LAN is created, but since it's a cyber cafe, it has got internet connection also. Now it becomes the part of WAN. If I am removing internet from there, then it's a complete LAN. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Durgesh. Durgesh.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, bank offices. Sir, bank offices.
If, again I am telling you, if we are not going to connect with the internet, then it is. If we are not going to connect, then it is your LAN. Otherwise, if we are going to be connected through internet, then it becomes WAN. Most of you have given right answer, right? So we are moving
Yes, sir.
towards the next type. Metropolitan network. Metropolitan area network. What is metropolitan area network? As the name is suggesting, metropolitan means a network which is going to be created within a city. Which is going to be created within a city, that is known as metropolitan area network. As the example I am telling you, your cable connection, right? Your cable connection, it is spread over your entire city. It is to your entire city. So in that case, it is created during your whole city. If the example I am telling how we are going to create MAN. MAN is created with the help of virtual satellites. It is created with the help of virtual satellites. In that case, we used to put a virtual satellite with the help of virtual satellite. As in the case, the best example I am telling you, nearby you only, few we are using cable connection at home with wires. Most of we are using others connection like Tata Sky, Airtel, these are. In that case, you can see a virtual satellite has been kept at your rooftop or in your balcony. Am I right? That if you recall that satellite, in that case, it is having a big plate. Then receiver is kept over there. With the help of that receiver, it is receiving the programs and everything. It is receiving programs and everything, and with the help of that receiver we are getting the signals to our TV sets with the help of set-top box. Can you tell any other example, anyone, of MAN? Anyone?
Metal. Atma Prakash.
Only first you have to make this one. Then I will say unmute yourself. Then after Prakash, yes, tell, beta.
Sir, broadband connection.
Broadband connection. So in that you are going to connect entire world. Now, with the help of broadband,
Yes.
you are using internet and you are becoming a part of the entire world. So another example. Anyone? Yes, Durgesh, you have learned so many things today, I think. Durgesh.
Yes, sir.
Tell beta.
Sir, like police or traffic police is, sir, like traffic police is fixing camera in the whole city for the watching the roads of the city. That why it is also the example of
Very
metropolitan area
good,
network.
very good, very good. Because it is controlled with the control room. All the cameras, they have been
Yes,
set
sir.
at different locations, but their control center is at control room. It's a very good example.
Yes.
Very good. Alankrita, you want to tell something?
Sir, telephone connection.
Telephone connection also a good example. Right? Anyone? Anyone? A second screen, anyone? No one? Third screen? Everyone, so video it is off. Very good. Yes, anyone? Okay. So, man is clear? Clear? Man is clear? Okay. We are moving towards WAN, wide area network. As the name is suggesting, wide. Wide means there is no limit. Actually, when it is created with the help of smaller networks. At different locations, smaller networks we are going to create, and with the help of that smaller network, if a bigger network is going to be created, that is known as our WAN. The best example, anyone? The best example of WAN?
Sir, internet connection.
Internet connection and
Sir, mobile towers.
mobile towers or mobile network.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
ATM
mobile network.
facility.
ATM facility is the best one. Who told it? Who told
Sir,
ATM?
Shwetank Ranjan.
Shwetank,
Sir,
very good.
Shwetank
Beta.
Ranjan.
Switch on your video. Where is
Yes,
your
sir.
video? You are, I am unable to see you. Very good, beta. So in
Thank you,
that
sir.
case, ATM. In the case of ATM, what is? Our bank account is at Varanasi. Suppose I am telling you at Lanka I am having a bank account. But entire world, if we are going to move anywhere, I can be the part of the network. Means from any city of any country, I can withdraw money. It's a biggest network, the best example you told. Again, the example will be airways. Airways will be or not. You are in Varanasi. You want to go to abroad. Then also you can book your ticket. You can move from Varanasi to anywhere, and from there also you can get ticket to come back to Varanasi. Am I right? So this is WAN, right? So in the case of bank, right, and big organizations, they are using WAN so that they can be the part of the whole world. Am I right? Clear to everyone? Clear? Everyone clear? Beta, at least you have to tell me so that I can proceed further. Clear?
Sir, I am not clear.
Who?
Aryan Kumar Mishra.
Aryan Mishra, where you are? I must see you. Where is Aryan Mishra? Ah, yes. Tell beta.
So you can explain it once more.
What?
So which you have explained just right now.
WAN, right? WAN is wide area network, the network which has been created in a smaller place, but it becomes a part of the whole world. That is your WAN. Means it doesn't have any limitation for geographical limit. Means if you are sitting at your home, you are using your phone just to transfer money from your phone to someone else living anywhere in the world. Is it possible? Aryan, is it possible to transfer money from your place to anyone living anywhere in the world? Unmute yourself, Aryan. Only Aryan. Unmute, beta.
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Possible. How it is possible? This is the use of WAN. It is the use of WAN because you have, after connecting with the internet, you have become the part of the network, a bigger network. Now you are able to transfer money from one place to another. Likewise, the examples I told you, ATM, railways, airways, they are the using WAN. Am I clear, Aryan?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next, we are moving towards.
Sir, one question. Sarthak Singh.
Who? Sarthak, where you are? Sarthak. Where are you? Sarthak. Make a V. Sarthak, your video. Sarthak. Sarthak.
Sir, it is Sarthak Singh.
Where you are? Your video is on?
Yes, sir.
Where you are, beta? Just make a V so that I can see you. Sarthak, yes, tell.
Sir, is railway an example of
Is railway an example of WAN?
WAN?
Definitely, it's a type of WAN, but Indian Railway, it is limited to India. But if you are in anywhere in the world, you can visit Indian Railways website and you can book tickets. Suppose I am in US, right? My family member, they want to go from Varanasi to Delhi, but they are unable to book their ticket. So from there only I can book tickets for them. Is it? Sarthak, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are moving towards network architecture. What network?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. What is network architecture? Architecture means the way or the plan into which it has been created. It's a design of computer network. Architecture is a design of computer network, how your computer network is going to be created. There are only two types of architecture. What are they? What are they? Anyone? Yes, Nimisha. Nimisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The client server network, peer network.
Client server network and Nimisha, client server
Peer
network,
to peer network.
peer to peer network. Anyone?
Peer to and peer to peer.
Okay, very good, very good. Everyone, please clap for Nimisha. He has given the right answer. Clap from there. Only this one you do. So, client server network and peer to peer network. First, we will go for peer to peer network. What is peer to peer network? Peer to peer network is that network into which no dedicated server is there. Each and every, as the example of your computer lab, each and every computer, it is behaving like a single computer, or it is a your server also. Means, as in the case of the computer at which in Durga Kund, we used to display you something on your projector. That computer becomes a server, but it's an standalone computer, right? Every computer in peer-to-peer network, it behaves like standalone as well as the server. From anywhere you can share your resources and can be accessed by anyone, right? While in the case of client server network, there is a dedicated server is there. Alankrita.
Sir, in peer-to-peer network, WAN network is used.
No, it's
Sir,
peer-to-peer network. We use any type of network where server is not required. Every client can behave like a server, or every server behaves like standalone computer, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And next is your client server network. Client server network is that network into which what happens? There is a dedicated server which is sharing the resources to the standalone computers, right? So dedicated server, it is sharing the resources, and the clients, they are just asking or requesting for the resources to be shared by the server. This is your client server network. Into this, a server is there. The example I am telling you, in your bank, have you gone to bank anytime with your parents? Everyone, in that you can see a server room is there. No one used to go there. Only they are sitting and working at their own computer. But the data they are getting from there. Everything they are getting from that server. All the computers, they have been connected with that particular server. That is client server network. We are working on clients and the server is placed at different location, right? This is your client server network. Is it clear, everyone? Now 5 minutes we are having for conversation. Whatever problem in this chapter till today you are facing, you can ask your question. I am here to give you the answers. One by one, by making this, you can ask your question. Anyone? First, only Alankrita is there, then who want to ask question? Samiksha, you don't want to ask question? Pari, no question? Then Vedans, Sujata, Ankit, Ritvik, then here first screen. Okay, Udit, what's your question? Udit.
Sir, Google is also like a WAN network or sir LAN?
Google actually it's a website service. It's a search engine, right?
Sir, that in the Google office, so in US the Google office is also is a WAN or another cheese, another network.
They are
In the Google office.
They are working on WAN better. Using internet they are working, so it's a part of WAN. Anyone?
Okay,
Then Nimisha.
Yes, sir. So the metropolitan area network can only be set up in metropolitan area cities, not in another cities.
What I told, in any city, it has limitation to set up in a particular city only. I have not said metropolitan city, right? Suppose your Samne Ghat branch, we are having network. Durga Kund again, we are having network. With the help of virtual satellite, if we link Durga Kund and Samne Ghat, that will become a part of MAN, right? Alankrita.
Sir, what is the difference between the computer of client server network and peer-to-peer server network. Sir,
Is it-
because in both in peer-to-peer there is client working as alone, and in client server network it is a standalone computer.
Client server, into this, a dedicated server is there, which is just for sharing the resources. We are not going to work on it. But in the case of peer-to-peer network, any computer can be made as a server. We can also work on that one as standalone, right?
Okay, sir.
And then who was there? Durgesh. Durgesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have two questions from this chapter and from another chapter.
Yes. Ask.
Sir, first from this chapter, the sir Wi-Fi connection are the example of client server network.
Wi-Fi, it is personal area network. If you are going to create at your home Wi-Fi network, right? So it's a personal, you are creating for yourself. But if you are going to use for internet purpose, then it becomes WAN.
Yes, sir.
And second question.
Yes.
What is second question?
Sir, second question, sir, from which software we can make the from which software we can make the app which we can which is visible.
By which software you can create your app? Hello? By which software you are going
Yes,
to
sir, which we
create
can visible in a Play Store.
Okay, that
Sir,
is
which can be visible in Play Store. Sir.
AppyPie is the site. AppyPie. With the help of AppyPie, I have given you the video last time. I can remember. AppyPie, na? With the help of AppyPie, you can develop your own app that can
Sir,
be
we can get that created app in Play Store also.
They will flourish in App Store. It will come to your App Store. Means there you have to select for Android you are going to use or for iPhone you are going to use. Right? If Android, then it will go to Play Store. If your iPhone, then it will go to App Store. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anyone? Yes, Svetang?
Sir, Google can be the example of client server network.
Google is actually that is not a client server network, you can see. It's a website. We are fetching the data of Google server. We are fetching data through Google from their own server.
Yes.
And anyone? Anyone? Yes, Aryan. Yes, Aryan.
So, who is the founder of Google?
You can see that one. Who is Google founder? Anyone? Yes, Durga.
Sir, Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
Is right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
what to do for
Yes,
him?
sir.
Yes, sir.
What to do for him?
Sir,
We have
clap.
to clap. Yes,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Clap for him. Anyone's question? Because we are going to lack in our time. Only 1 minute is left. Anyone?
Sir, can you explain the
Great.
man again?
Man, metropolitan area network, which is going to be created in a city only, right? As example, I am telling you are living at your home, your relatives' home at suppose you are at Lanka and your relatives' house is at Laurabe. If you are going to you have created network at your home and your relative has created at his residence. If you want to create a network with wire, it is not possible. Then you both have to install virtual satellite at your rooftop. With that, we will match the frequency and both the network will be attached with each other. Is it? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Alankrita?
Sir, the 4G network we are using nowadays of Jio, sir, that is WAN or another type of network?
For what purpose you are using Jio? At present you are joining my class. What the thing you are you have started in your computer so that you become the part of the my network with the help of
Wi-Fi.
internet.
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you are as I
Yes,
told, if we use internet, then it becomes what?
Sir, man.
Man? इंटरनेट यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will become a part of WAN, so that you can connect with the person living anywhere in world. Right? मैन होता तो खाली शहर में रह जाते ना.
Yes, sir.
Anyone's question? Anyone? No one? Next time beta, topologies. In 4th week we will have again Zoom class. Topologies, at least you revise it, then we will continue with it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Durgesh.
Sir, you will check the. Sir, you will check the fair copies also.
Let the school must open. Then we are here. Okay. Yes, Shwetang. Shwetang Ranjan. Unmute yourself first. Shwetang, unmute yourself, beta. Okay. No one? So, this was for today's class. We have covered 4-5 topics today. How was the class?
Very good.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Sir.
And you all are requested to attend everyone's
Thank
class.
you, sir.
Everyone's class.
Yes, sir.
This is actually
Yes,
not
Yes, sir.
this is not only a revision class. It is also just to clear your doubts.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
then
sir.
we will meet in next Zoom class. Till then, Jai
Bye,
Hind.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Jai Hind.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Bye, sir.
And sir.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind, everyone.